Why should anybody believe in Ninja Man?
I don't care if you believe me after you know God.
Let me tell
you something.
Let me
hold on.
When
you say that,
in the mid-90s.
Hold on, when you say that, I can hit a point to you. I don't care whether you believe me or not, you know.
Yeah.
The last time I give my life to God, wholly and solely, and I
Did you really?
And when you not done criticize me, I couldn't take it no more. I have to come out and say, God, if I so much Christian to be, I can't take him, I walk away. But me, I'll tell you something now.
Were you really a Christian, or were you just broke?
What?
I needed some money.
You can't make me broke. You think a DJ make money like me?
How much do you make for a regular stage show?
I tax you and come down, I don't make nothing. You think you're not...
You're Ali Button?
Yes, work for nothing, but if you check my pocket, it have been something.
Were you really a Christian?
I wasn't a Christian. I was a man of God.
What's the difference?
Because Christians have a tendency to be hypocrite in the sight of God.
And what are you now?
When you work in the sight